twang is not even close to my name. That's a racist comment, sir. I'm from America.
Oh, I didn't know for sure. I didn't know. I'm not a racist.
Why? Just because I look different? I don't...
No, I think you look beautiful, actually. You're one of the prettiest ladies I've seen.
Ask somebody if they're from America.
I didn't ask you if you was from America, did I?
You did.
Well, are you from America?
I am from America.
Well, that's
Very
great.
American. But don't assume my name is Twang.
Why would I assume you? 'Cause that's what I would name you if you were my child.
Why?
Because you look like a twang, like a guitar player. Twanging the guitar? You know, I'd put you on my band.
Are you ready?
Twanging the guitar?